Hey guys, this is King That Minded here. So you want to know how to replace the battery on the Medtronics 670G charging port transmitter. Okay, once again, this is the charging port for the transmitter. Okay guys, I looked all over YouTube and there's probably nobody showing how to replace the battery on the charging port for the transmitter. Okay, this is a simple step, very easy, very simple. I just wanted to show you guys so you guys know how to replace the battery. So with your thumb you press and slide the back piece off, and there it is, revealing the battery. Okay, replace the battery, take the battery out, put a brand new battery in there, and you slide it in again like so. Okay, simple as that. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a blessed day. Thank you.